Some good side of the injury news. That guy right there, Coty Shock, will be racing in Unadilla after breaking his wrist at Southwick. At the moment, he sits 21st in standing, so probably not a bad chance to get into the SMX finals or playoffs, whatever you want to call them. Mike Bonacci said, quote, "Welcome back to racing, Coty Shock. Coty will make his return to the track this weekend at Unadilla and is excited to get going. With his body fully healed and some training under his belt, this weekend will be a good test for his return. Coty has quite a few races under his belt at Unadilla, and riding press on Friday will get him back in the swings of things quickly." Now, obviously, this is good. He had a really good Supercross year and was having a pretty good outdoor year, and then injury. Injuries derail a lot of things. So the question is, how well does he do? Does he come back and is he top 5 guy, top 10 guy? Is he fast? Is it going to be one of those needs a few weeks to actually get the race pace? Because that's obviously a very different thing than just going on the practice track and turning laps, or even just like going on a practice track and racing, quote unquote, racing against someone. There's that little bit of extra speed that you always need when you're racing for points and for money and everything else. So it's gonna be neat to see how he does. Obviously, it's never a bad thing to get people back, and hopefully he's fully healed, stays fine for the rest of the season, and see where he ends up in points. Maybe he gets to SMX or not. Who knows? But comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Where do you think he falls? Are you going to Unadilla? Are you excited for the last few races we've got, obviously, with people moving up, people moving down? And tell me what you think. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.